YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Miami T, man, coming at y'all a little different today. Not on a positive note, not really on a negativity or whatever, but let me show y'all something, man. Kind of frustrated. Got a family member that was hurt. Alright, YouTube, everybody know Itty Bitty, man. Itty Bitty been city to city, state to state. Itty Bitty is my famous YouTube mobile. I promote myself in this vehicle. And y'all know Itty Bitty has been everywhere. So with that being said, let's get down to it. Show y'all what I'm talking about, man. Itty Bitty was injured. Ooh, this bad boy hot. Cut on some AC in this bad boy. All right. Everybody know Itty Bitty got that music. And I just was getting ready to, y'all see Itty Bitty got the Viper alarm. But I was gonna give this vehicle away at one point for, promotional use, but I decided to keep it. I actually was, have been looking around in some rim shops, man. I was gonna put some wheels on Itty Bitty, but as y'all can see, Itty Bitty has been damaged. Now let me break this down to you. It's not like somebody bagged into her. Let me give y'all. Not like somebody bagged into her. Last night, I was giving away cards and t-shirts. Yeah, man, that's the ugly. So, the doors were open. All four doors were open. When somebody in a Dodge Charger came by, trying to squeeze by, not drive by, but squeeze by. Now, if you have to squeeze by, you already know 9 times out of 10 you can't make it. We was in a what do you call it, a little when you come out of the bank, you had a little teller line. These cars go in, then it kind of merges to a single lane. How he managed to miss this one? Barely. But he caught this one. Boom. Now the doors are bent back, but took the door all the way to the front. Yup. Hang on. Look at that. That's just. So with that being said, I feel like I'm gonna take y'all to the, as they say, the scene of the crime, man. So y'all stick around. We're gonna come back to it. Yeah, man. We back. Got some good news. Just got a call from Dean over at Anthony's Upholstery. He just told me the Chevy ready. So I'm not quite back in the city yet. I'm still coming from out of town, man. Had to go up to Montgomery, Alabama last night. So I'm making my way back down here to Florida. And excuse me. It's been a long night, man, because I actually been on the road, man, since 10 o'clock last night. And it is 4 o'clock right now. So So as y'all can see, let's see if I can blow this up. Y'all just saw that. I got 41 miles before I even make it to Temple. So y'all stick around, y'all lay around for it, man. And I'll cut y'all back on as soon as we make it over there to Anthony's Upholstery where Lucille is. And when I make it over there, I'll cut y'all back on. Miami T, baby. Don't forget, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Watch the videos too, man. Oh yeah. They looking good. Looking real good. See what Mr. Anthony done did. I see he put them emblems on. Oh yeah. Okay. See, I gotta get this problem fixed, because I know what's killing a brand new battery with a brand new alternator and a brand new belt. The idiot that sold me this car up there in Middleton, Tennessee, probably still got the wires running, still pulling power from this, or either that brake light, that third brake light. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm gonna give him that. Put a little pressure game down. Now it's time to hit that paint and body shop. Yeah. Go ahead and get these keys. They done gutted this whole truck out. Got some diamond pattern or whatever that is. I guess this shoe's supposed to be a chair. But anyway, I'll cut y'all back on in a little minute. Alright, let's get it. Time to put this bad boy up. She been gone for a minute. Been gone for damn near a month. Little progress though, little progress. Yeah, little progress. Gotta get this thing to the music, man. Let them finish measuring out the console. But I want that electrical issue squared away. But okay. This thing still got the factory 305 in it right now, but I guess she felt like moving. She just, I don't know, felt like some juice just then. But man, y'all get in the comment section, man. Let me know what y'all think about the new top. Too bad I'm not keeping this car like, you know, navy blue like I was gonna paint it, or that factory color blue. That was my other choice, but I gotta slap this candy on there, man. That candy blue, that cobalt candy blue, and yeah. Like I said, man, I ain't competing with nobody, man. You know, I ain't making no noise, man. But y'all drop in the comment section, man. Let me know what y'all think, man. This your boy Miami T. Y'all watch the videos all the way through. And till the next time, man, we out. Miami T. Like, comment, share, subscribe.